Hi, this is Jason. Welcome back to my channel. I had a customer come in with the P20E8 code, which is reductant tank low pressure. We did all the tests. Everything tested good. The pressures were between 65 and I believe 88 psi. 5 miles down the road, code came right back. This is not a cheap fix. I know the def tank pumps are about $1,100. But I'm going to be showing you how to replace this. So here we go. This is your reductant tank heater. It's on the passenger side. There will be 3 13mm bolts right here in the shield, 2 10mm right here, a 10mm up there, and there is 2 on the sides. Same thing for the other side. Let me get these bolts out and I'll show you how to drop it and change it. Okay, now I got the shield off. This right here is your reductant tank heater slash pump. This right here, there's 2 tabs on the side. You push them in and it'll pull right out. See, there's 1 tab there and 1 tab on the other side. The connector is right here. There's a locking clip on it, which you have to pull back and you can push down and it'll come right out. How you get this ring off, what I do is I get this little chisel. I'll put it right here, use my hammer and knock the ring out. Now warning, once you knock this ring off, everything is going to drop. That's why I got this big pan right here. Everything's going to drop, all your DEF fluid's going to come out, the pump's going to come out and everything. So let me drop this and I'll be right back. As you can see, it's just pouring out when I drop that pump. Please be careful when you're doing this. It's a lot easier to do on the ground than in the air. And always have a bucket underneath you. Alright, here's my new pump. When you put these things in, these right here are sensors. So when you put these back in, you want to make sure that all these sensors get back in the tank. I usually like to tuck them, just slightly tuck them on top. While I put it in, hold it on the side like this while I put it in to make sure they all get in there. But those are your sensors. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to put that locking clip back on, and I'm going to use my hammer and my chisel, and I'm going to beat it back the other way to tighten it down. Okay, now I got that back in. I spun this locking clip back on, use my chisel to hit the edge right here to lock it back in place. You can just push this back in, it'll snap back in. Push your connector in right here, lock it in, and then you put your shield back on, and that is pretty much it. You also got to fill it. It'll take about 5 gallons of DEF fluid. This is the fix for the P20E8. Sad to say, there's no way around this code. And even though everything is looking good, GM has a bulletin out to replace it no matter what. So that's my video. Boop that like button, subscribe down below, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.